everyone, it's Ariel. Welcome back to another video. Today we are on day 20 something of Vlogmas, and for today's video I'm going to be doing kind of a light, natural looking holiday makeup look. I was on Pinterest and I found a couple of inspiration pictures, and I'll try to insert them here so you guys can see kind of what I'm going for. So basically like a slightly sparkly lid, but almost like glossy at the same time, and then a nude kind of pink lip, also glossy. So this is very like glossy look and very light, but I kind of like the like pink holiday vibe. So that is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to do my best to try to get something similar. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. Okay, so I did just wash my face, and then I did a little bit of skincare and put moisturizer on. I put a little bit of extra moisturizer because I want this look to be very like hydrated and like glossy, like I was saying. So I feel like my skin needs to be very moisturized. It does feel moisturized, so that's good. And now I'm going to move on to the first thing, which is tinted moisturizer. Use this all the time. Apply that all over. I was actually planning on doing a more of like the classic holiday makeup, which in my opinion is like red lip and like winged liner, but I don't know, I just wasn't really feeling it. I kind of wanted to try something different. So like I said, I was on Pinterest and I found a couple of kind of different makeup looks that I decided I wanted to try. So that is what I'm doing. I am straying away from the typical kind of like classic holiday makeup look. Using a bit of concealer. I'll leave the products linked in the description, even though you guys have seen these a million times. So I'm just doing the concealer mostly under the eyes, and then a little bit wherever I have any blemishes. Again, I feel like the skin is a lot of the main focus for this look, and I don't know what this is. It literally just popped up like right before I started filming, of course. Okay, now I'm gonna do brows. I'm gonna use my Beauty Counter brow gel, and this is in Invisible. The brows in, I think in both pictures, but mainly in this one, she has a very natural looking brow. So that is more what I'm going for. Just kind of a natural brow, but it still looks like she has some brow gel or something in there. So just keeping it really light with the clear brow gel. Okay, this brow isn't cooperating, but it's gonna have to be good enough. Okay, next I'm gonna move straight into eyes. I'm using my Tartelette and Bloom palette for this. And actually, before I do the palette, I am going to use, sounds crazy, but a little bit of Vaseline, because like I said, I want the eyes to be kind of glossy. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of Vaseline before I put on any shadow, and that'll just kind of give it like a glossy base. Just using Vaseline. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to the palette. So Tartelette and Bloom palette, and I'm going to be using Funny Girl, this one, and I'm just going to use this brush. This is the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. Taking some of this, and I'm not sure if I want it all over the lid. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go for kind of what this picture does, which is, it almost looks like an eyeliner. So they focus it mainly on the lash line, or like at least kind of in and around that area, rather than going over the whole lid. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. I'm not sure how well this is gonna go, but I'm gonna try it. So let's do it. So I'm focusing mainly on that part right close to my lash line. And then I'm also going to try to kind of bring this up a little bit and kind of give it like a little bit of a wing. I think that looks pretty good. That turned out way better than I expected, honestly. Just gonna do a bit more of a wing. Okay. Same thing on the other side. Okay, how's that? I think that's as close as I'm gonna get them. I feel like it's not bad though. Definitely would have been easier with a liquid liner instead of a shadow. But okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of mascara. I'm just using my Pure Anada mascara. I'm gonna keep it kind of on the lighter side though, so nothing too heavy. Okay, now what next? I'm pretty impressed with how this is looking, you guys. I hope it looks okay on camera. I am not the best with makeup. I don't usually do anything more than like super natural looks, which if you've seen my videos before, you know that, because that's all the makeup videos I've done. They're just like natural, like no foundation, no like eyeshadow, like nothing crazy. But anyway, I'm kind of liking how this is looking. Okay, now I'm gonna do lips. I'm using this Annabelle lip liner in Demure or 405. It's just like a kind of a nude shade. I'm gonna use that all over my lips. Okay, lips are done. Now I'm actually going to go over that a little bit with some clear gloss. This is by e.l.f. There we go. We got some glossy nude lips. And now I need some highlight. Be right back. Actually grabbed some Q-tips because I want to just like clean up the liner a little bit. Okay, now for highlight, I'm actually going to use a little bit of Vaseline. I don't know if that's going to give me enough of a highlight, but I'm going to try it. And then I do have some highlighter here if I need to put more. Vaseline is so useful, you guys. In the picture that I had as like a reference, she has a very like just natural glow. Like she doesn't really have like a glittery glow. You know how like some highlighters give you that glow, but it's like glittery, like more like what I have on my eyes, just not as heavy. I feel like she doesn't have that. It's just very like natural and just like moisturized rather than like shimmery or sparkly or anything like that. So that's kind of what I'm going for here. Okay, I think that's pretty good. But I do want a little bit of highlight for my inner corner. So I'm going to take, this is just a little sample I had from Sephora, but this is Becca Cosmetics highlighter. I can't remember the name. And I'm gonna apply this with a Q-tip. Okay, and I'm actually taking a little bit of Funny Girl again, and I'm just gonna go over like the tiniest little bit over the parts that I highlighted, just to give it like a little bit more of a pop. I know I said I didn't want glitter, but this just feels right. Okay, I think this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Okay guys, so that brings us to the end of this video. I really hope you guys liked the video. I hope you like the makeup look that came out of this. If you did like the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Also hit the little bell so you get notified every time I post. And make sure you are following me on Instagram at @StyleByAriel_. I'll leave that linked in the description as well. All of the products will be linked in the description too, so make sure that you check that out if you're interested in anything that I used today. But that is it for today, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!